My name is Maurizio Nosotti. I'm a sales executive in Orma Macchine, woodworking machinery producers, especially presses. We are working in India since 1986 and we had a very long experience in this country. We started in the beginning just a trial for looking for a new market. Now, after more than 20 years, we are one of the leading companies in the woodworking field in this country. So we were participating since the very first beginning to India Wood in 1999, and since the beginning we see that this opportunity was a very big opportunity in this country. Of course, the first exhibition was a very small one, held in a kind of football ground. Now the exhibition is growing and growing year after year, and our cooperation with Capel started 6-7 years ago, after with our old dealer that was HPR, that was at that time one of the few dealers in India, closed down. We found the opportunity to cooperate with Capel, a very dynamic and positive company, a young company as well. And since the beginning we find a very good feeling with Mr. Satyan, the CEO of Capel. And since the beginning we have a very good results either in sales and in marketing operation. We carry out together, and we are very happy to cooperate with them, and we hope this cooperation will stand for many years. And see you in the next exhibition in next year in Delhi Wood 2019. Bye.